Hello there. I want to show you a project that I'm doing today, and it's really hard to get the camera in here because of the way my bathroom is situated. It doesn't have a lot of light. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing because I think it's kind of cool. Put this huge mirror in here, and so it goes from the beginning of the wall where you walk in the door all the way to the toilet, and it's just white mirror that's got a frame about this thick on it. Pussy willow flowers in a vase here, and they looked so pretty. They brought in the Maryland paintings, the colors, and I just love them. So I decided I want to put them on the mirror. So I want to attach these to the mirror. It'll just make it look fresh and different. Nail gun. I love power tools. I just do. So I'm going to use this to put my pussy willows onto my mirror. Going. Just randomly putting them. Usually towards the end of the project, I figure out the best way to do it, but so I'm just randomly placing the pussy willows all around the mirror. I went on the sides straight up, and then on the right hand corner I went towards the door. Sort of looks good just like that. I did put some on the bottom, but in the end I didn't feel like they looked right on the bottom. I didn't want to hit them when I grabbed a Kleenex or something, or when the housekeeper was cleaning the mirror. So I took those off and I just did both sides and the top. And now it's done with the pussy willows, but I feel like it needs a little more. If you've seen my other videos, you know that the creative process for me is ever-changing, and there's a muse inside that wants to come out and create whatever I'm creating. I just relax and let it do that. That's my whole job. So with creating this mirror, the pussy willows are really pretty on it and I love them, but they're just not enough for me. So I went ahead and added this piece, which is just a branch that has a little moss on it, but it really changed the look in here. And then that inspired me to add some other things. Sorry, it's really hard to film in here because it's such a small bathroom. But I really want to do this video, and I really want to show it to you because it's so cool. It looks so good. I mean, it just changed my bathroom from all this like glass tile and white bright to something that has more of a rustic feel and very eclectic. So I have these little squiggly things that are from the farmer's market, but I'm gonna incorporate them into this. So I'm just putting the squiggly things in there randomly. I think I just used 3 of them. They're pretty big. I put one on each side and then one on the top in the end, and you'll see in the next video. But they were really thick, and so it was kind of hard to get them on there with the nail gun, but I did eventually, and it really, really made all the difference. And I put a couple more pussy willows in there, but other than that, it was just those 3 squiggly sticks, and I'm really happy with it. It really turned out really well. So I hope that this inspires you to do something with your bathroom mirror, or any mirror in your house for that matter. It's all finished. And hopefully it will inspire you to do something crazy and different in a room of your house and around a mirror. I love the idea of the sticks and the pussy willows because this room's kind of glamorous and with the tiles, and it's just very stark, and I thought that the sticks and the pussy willows just gave it an earthy feel and made it feel warm. You can also use shells. You can use plaster dipped flowers. You can use crystals. I've done many mirrors in many different ways, but the mirror is really the focal point of the bathroom. So if you can make it something really crazy and funky like this, it'll make your house look very unique, very different. Nobody else will have this mirror. I hope that inspires you to do something fun. Thanks for watching. Well, here the mirror is all finished. And hopefully it will inspire you to do something crazy and different in a room of your house and around a mirror. I love the idea of the sticks and the pussy willows because this room's kind of glamorous and with the tiles, and it's just very stark, and I thought that the sticks and the pussy willows just gave it an earthy feel and made it feel warm. You can also use shells. You can use plaster dipped flowers. You can use crystals. I've done many mirrors in many different ways, but the mirror is really the focal point of the bathroom. So if you can make it something really crazy and funky like this, it'll make your house look very unique, very different. Nobody else will have this mirror. I hope that inspires you to do something fun. Thanks for watching.